a child was born and he had sickle cell type SS. I was devastated. I mean, my world was shattered. I cried all the time. Growing up in Louisiana, I saw a lot of kids suffer, going to the hospital, saw a lot of people pass away. So here I am about to start my life in the same footsteps that I once saw these people or these children in Louisiana. So he turned 1, he started having splenic sequestration, which is crisis of the spleen. The blood gets trapped and the spleen cannot properly filter through. The spleen can enlarge and cause lots of complications, so every 2 months we're in the hospital. At the end of the year, the doctors told me, Ms. Mosley, his body is not producing red blood cells, so we have to do a blood transfusion. And we may have to put him on monthly transfusions because if he continues to go down this road, and which I knew I was against that, because monthly transfusions can cause iron overload, it can damage your liver, your heart, and other organs, and it can be fatal. So after the second blood transfusion, I knew that I had to do something different for my son if I wanted to see something different. If we keep doing the same things in life, we're gonna get the same results, right? So I had to do something different, and that's when I turned to God's medicine cabinet. So the first thing that I did, I had to change our diet. So didn't buy any more white sugars. White sugar feeds cancer, white bread, white pasta, artificial sweeteners, Splenda, Equal, sodas, diet sodas, aspartame. All of these things build inflammation inside the body. Conventional dairy. This stuff is hurting us, is killing us. So especially people with sickle cell, we need to get better nutrients inside of our bodies. We just cannot continue to eat the Doritos and the Cheetos and the Hawaiian Punch and the Capri Suns with all the food dyes in it. It's hurting us. So I did that. Then I started looking for natural herbs to help the body produce red blood cells, because we got to stop treating symptoms, okay? We're not going to get anywhere treating symptoms. We have to treat the root cause. So what's the root cause in sickle cell? The body does not produce enough red blood cells. We have abnormal hemoglobin and low oxygen, right? So I started looking for herbs to help the body produce red blood cells. I found liquid chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is found in all leafy green vegetables. Anytime you eat broccoli, kale, spinach, asparagus, celery, you're eating chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is very similar to humans' hemoglobin. The only difference between the two is the center atom, and chlorophyll is magnesium. The center atom in hemoglobin is iron. That's it. Started giving my son chlorophyll, beetroot juice. We know what beets are. Beets build the blood. Nattokinase-serrapeptase. Natto is a food that's been eaten in Japan for thousands of years. Natto prevents strokes. It keeps the blood flowing in its most natural state. Keeps all the bad toxins, bad proteins out of the blood. And the final thing I gave him was gingko's biloba, which is also a plant of food that's been eaten in the Asian culture for several years. So I did this. 3 years went by. My son didn't have a crisis. I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So during this 3